Cheers. Cheers. I'm hungry. What snacks have we got? I can show you something alternative. Okay, over it. Where are you going to work? There, by the fire. So bring my chair. Yeah. Okay.
Need help?
No, it's good. Thank you. What have you got here? Something alternative. Okay. Some Tabasco. Some olive oil. Some balsamic vinegar. Beer, obviously.
Is that also go in there?
That's just for the ambiance.
To ice pot biltong.
Yes. It's a traditional South African snack. Jerky for the Americans. But we're going to do it in a different way.
It's already sliced.
Already sliced.
Where'd you get this?
Now from my local shop.
Okay. Nice.
Okay. Now, usually you would just eat it like that. You won't put anything on it.
Yeah.
South African people is gonna murder me now. That's stuff. I try new things. Yeah, so biltong. Take a bit of balsamic vinegar. No one. You drizzle it over.
Oh, that's olive oil.
I mean olive oil.
Okay.
Same stuff.
Same stuff.
One is green and one is red, brown. Balsamic vinegar.
Are you ruining that stuff now?
No, for some people they think they would until they try it. Now try that.
That's very nice, eh?
Brings out the flavor.
Very nice.
Just put a little bit more oomph.
I like it.
Lekker.
And the Tabasco?
That's for something different.
Something different. I mean, this is nice.
Two different variations. I can do it for balsamic now.
It's surprisingly tasty.
It is.
Yeah.
I love it. That's why I've got two buckies.
Okay. I thought the one was for me.
Where's your knife? You've got the lekker knife. The big one.
It's a small one. Big one, you're going to cut your fingers off.
Thank you. Give the knife right, eh? Now you use the Tabascos on you as well.
That's interesting. I mean, you can sometimes buy the biltong in a chili flavor.
Chili flavor, but no, you
I've never had a Tabasco biltong flavor.
try that.
Which one should I think I must grab one with not too much on.
Yeah, but it's a jalapeno one. It's not the
hot.
Not the hot. Also lekker, huh?
That's it. I think I grabbed that, but that is a nice twist.
That's nice.
Well done. Cheers. Nice.
Let me
You
just get
remember this one?
I'm gonna get my chair. Then we eat some biltong.
No.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Very nice. I like it. Cheers,
Cheers.
man.
Cheers.
To new recipes.
to a new camping style.